Let us find out different trigonometric ratios for minus theta. We have discussed before that if theta is taken in the anti-clockwise direction, it is positive. So this angle will be positive and this angle will be negative. Since minus theta is in the anti-clockwise direction, it is taken as minus theta, magnitude is theta only, but sign is minus. If it is plus, then Px comma y is the point in the first quadrant. This length will be y and this length will be x. In that case, sin theta is equal to y by r, cos theta is equal to x by r. That is for the triangle OPM. Now, what we do is, you take image of this point on the other side, same angle, but minus theta, opposite direction. Now, P dash will be x dash comma y dash. Please remember, x dash is same as x, okay, which is given here. Y dash is minus y. We have already taken that in fourth quadrant, y is negative. So, minus y will be positive. Therefore, minus y will be positive. So, we will take that as y dash. Now, consider the triangle OPM dash. In this, sin minus theta, it will be y dash by r. So, angle is minus theta here, y dash by r, which is minus y by r. That gives us minus sin theta, because we already taken that sin theta is y by r. Similarly, cos minus theta, x dash by r, or it is x by r. X by r is cos theta, so it is cos theta. Therefore, sin minus theta is minus sin theta, cos minus theta is plus cos theta. So remember this while doing problems.